Welcome to OCuSOFT, and today we'll be looking at how to use OCuSOFT HypoChlor. Before we get started, please like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel to get all of our amazing content. Hypochlorous acid is produced by white blood cells as part of the body's natural defense mechanism against pathogens. OCuSOFT HypoChlor is a 0.02% concentration of hypochlorous acid in both spray and gel formula for uses in severe cases of eyelid disorders. Let's not wait any longer, and let's take a look at how to use OCuSOFT HypoChlor. Take the HypoChlor spray provided and remove the plastic lid. Hold the spray bottle 4 to 6 inches away from your face and spray onto your closed eyelid. If using a lint-free pad, spray the solution on the pad. Once the solution is sprayed on the pad, proceed to wipe the pad onto your eyelid. Then, use the other side of the pad for your other eyelid.